Let's go, baby. Friday. Hopefully, there's one of those Fridays that pays us. Let some people get on here. All right. I'm gonna just go over it. You can rewatch it. All right. So I'm looking for the 693.80 reject back down. We came right. Excuse me. Came right into that order block. Anyways, same resistance. It's worked 1, 2, 3 days this week. Well, excuse me. Last Friday, this Tuesday, and yesterday. So we will see if that is, the third touch to go. And then now that we've broken and reclaimed that, we should go to 690. So you could wait for a break and retest of pre-market lows and take it down. And if we break 690, go to 686. I mean, really now that all of this got filled, now we could actually go hopefully all the way to 682, 683 area. That would be ideal for me. Yeah, that would be ideal. Break, retest, same thing. Wait for that break and retest. We still have an hour anyways. So with that hour, see what pre-market does, obviously, but definitely, definitely not bad. All right, so not bad at all. And Q's, I think I tried to Q's. The same order block, whatever, down there. I mean, you could wait for under 623.75 to go to 618. Q's, because that's already. Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine. Gotta break below that, and then we'll push. Otherwise, we're just gonna bounce and go up. All right, and then we're gonna continue to chop because we're gonna be at highs again, right? So if it does reclaim and come back to the upside, just expect everything else to be held. You can see like Tesla. I mean, I feel like things want to drop, but you know, it don't really matter how I feel. AMD, gorgeous retest right there of that. I didn't even chart AMD yesterday. Huh. 240. What's that? I bet you it's like right here. Yeah, solid. Nice. So you could just let's see what happens there. If not, get a push to 241.5 from 238. That's not too bad. I mean, technically. But let's see. There we go. I gotta find a faster way to do this, man. Let's see. 241.60. Boom. It's the 1 hour. Yep, right there, like I said. And then top. Okay, nice. Let's double check that fucking range. I'll probably trim again at 245. See what happens there. So AMD though, I mean, I would really take that 235 reject. So if we just open and start falling, I mean, we're right at this is perfect. Oh. You could wait till under 231 to go to 223. It's a big move. That's a big move. Wow. That might be the move. Yeah, I just want to see a push down, and I'll take it to 223 for sure. Like if we get a nice break and retest of 235, or if it just breaks straight below 231 right away, I would definitely take that straight to 223. It's a fire trade. Put one at 231. Yeah, that's why that was there. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, I like that. All right. AMD for the Dubskis so far. Hood. Oh wow. Here. It would be nice to get that 118 reject, but could also I mean, not really bullish divergence on here, honestly. You can see it fall. I can see it fall through. Pretty. Real question is, does it make it all the way down to 102? It might. It very well might. All right. Well, that's what I'm gonna wait for on Hood. I'm gonna wait for that. It's oversold here, obviously, so I think it will bounce back up to fill this. Move this up here to fill that 119, and then take that 119 reject for sure. For sure. Yeah. Okay. Netflix. Meta, we already starting to get that reject at the same 623.73. So that's nice, right? We can see it push down and then, I mean, take it to that 618 or just wait for below 615. Go to 610 and 597. It's crazy. Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll be a nice move. Or if we break above this, then obviously if we break above 623.73, we could push into 631. And today, people with small accounts, just remember that Fridays can pay. Like you can play big names on Friday for cheaper because it's same day expiration for these big names, right? Like it's weekly expiration, same day expiration. So you could get cheaper contracts like Tesla, Meta. I mean, maybe for like 100, 200, I mean, maybe like $200, but can pay fast, can pay big, especially if you catch a $7 move or, $5 move. It's crazy. So really what we're going to be watching today. Let's see if we get some clean PA. Is there any news today? Did I say that? Let's see. Market mover. Boom. All right, cool. So we're chilling. We're chilling today. All right. So hopefully, and pre-market's not opening like crazy either. So we should have some clean drops, right? Clean setups. All right, this zone. All right, so we want SPY below 690 to 686 or above. I'm not really taking anything to the upside. Go above 695 to 697. Whatever. You guys take it up if you want to take it up. I'm just going to go to the downside. Everything else we'll look for up and down. Go. NVIDIA is at this. Stop. NVIDIA is at this resistance right here that got tested. So I would say, yeah, I mean, you can see a pretty nice drop, hopefully, on NVIDIA. But we gotta, break all this. I hate when Asia and London are like this. It's pretty annoying. But I still think we take it down to like 184, 182. Yeah. Because really, this has been the area, right? So I like that. I like NVIDIA to the downside. So to give you guys a level, we'll say 187.75. So we'll just go 187. One NVIDIA below 187 down to 183 for some buffer. And then if it pushes to the upside, we'll watch it. Because first stop will be after we break above that 190, it's 191.4. I'm not really gonna take that, I want to take that trade. But now that we have all of that, all right, then we may just take it. $192 to 197 could be really nice. Really, I would just take that. Yeah, I like that. Above 192, we can see a nice push on NVIDIA to 197. Oh, gosh, I love coffee. Love a good old cup of joe. All right. Below 434 to 428, but see, I'm going to take it before that. I probably entered at 437 to take it to 434. See what we do. I mean, if you break below this 439, so really if you break below this 438.5. Yeah, nah, so it gets you tripped up. Just wait. Just wait. Tesla above. Should we do Tesla or Hood or AMD? There's a lot of names to watch today. Sometimes it overwhelms me. I like Meta. Let's do Meta the best. Meta. Let's go. That's 624 reject. I mean, just below, whatever, below 615 to 610. Just 610 or above 624 to 631. Above 624 to 631. And then that's probably all I'm going to give. That's all I'm going to give them. I show up here every morning, Monday through Friday, every morning. 170 people in the Discord. I'm done. I'm gonna just start posting mad gains. Now see Hood. Hood is interesting. Yeah, no, I'm waiting for that reject for sure. You could see, you can see 115, 114, 115 reject. Just gonna watch it to see how it goes. Just know this whole zone. Sell zone for sure. 118 to 122. All right. So Tesla, SPY. Let's get the man. This is like the biggest thing is setting up your chart for the day, right? So we got SPY on here. We got Meta right there. Tesla. And Nvidia. On the other screen, we can do AMD. AMD could be such a nice move. It could be. We'll see. I like it. AMD and Hood. Excuse me. Let's see. I said 116. Yeah, I'll be right there. I'll just move that there. We break that, we go to 119. So we'll keep it like that for Hood. I didn't even put it in the chat. So yeah, so if you're on here, that's what we're gonna do for Hood. All right, we're gonna see if we get this 116 reject. If not, if we break above that, then we could take it to 119, almost 120, right? Which is a $3 move. I'm cool with that. Definitely cool with that. And then 122. 5. Boom. Honestly. All right. That's nice. We cleaned it up a little bit. Those already filled that. Open candle. Let it run, baby. Let it run. We just get a big drop. I'm ready for markets to reset, man. All right. That's all, yeah. I don't know if you have any questions. Reach out, like, comment, subscribe, share. Stick with it. It's a process. It's a journey. You ain't gonna get it overnight. It's fucking hard. Just do it.